So hey folks, welcome to Intro to Creative Writing. This email is really about how to navigate the online interface of our class. So I'm actually going to assume that you have read the email that I've sent to you. So this is just going to pretend that you have done that. If you have not done that and you're watching this, I want you to go ahead and click on this thing that says read me first. That's actually a link to the email that I sent you. All right, cool. So this is what I want to talk to you about. When you're interacting with this class online, you are really looking at 4 different things that you're going to access every day when we meet. The first thing is that you're going to log onto Blackboard. And when you log onto Blackboard, this is what you're going to see. You're going to see a fairly naked left-hand menu. That is because the Blackboard template is an anxiety attack in the making, and it's just messy. It's gross. It makes you search for things. I don't like it, so we're not using it, all right? So it's naked there intentionally, but you see my little happy shiny mug on the screen and some information about how to contact me. And then you'll see again, read me first. If you haven't done that, again, read me first. There's a link to our syllabus. I'm not going to talk about the syllabus here. That's a different video. But the other thing that you're going to see are all these handy dandy links, weeks 1 all the way through 14 of our course schedule. I've basically organized our class on Google Docs, okay? So obviously we're going to go to weeks 1 through 4. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on 1 through 4, all right? And this is what you'd see, all right? Super. All right, so I want to talk to you right now about the workflow for this class. And what do I mean by that? What I mean is every day when we are meeting synchronously, we're not going to be on video, but we're going to be meeting synchronously, you're going to have 3 things open on your computer, all right, at the same time. You are going to have open this Google Doc, okay? Which is very easy to navigate. There is a table of contents on the left-hand menu. It lets you skip to whatever part of the schedule you want, which is kind of neat because you don't have to waste your time scrolling, right? Nifty, nifty. And then I've also included this handy-dandy legend at the top here, and that actually has linked our schedule, our one and only assignment for the class. Again, we'll put a pin in that, but then all of the Google Docs course schedules for the remaining weeks, right? So this legend is going to be at the top of every course schedule. So there's no getting lost. Everything connects back to each other. Anything that you need to access, if I want you to participate in a discussion, if I want you to read a web resource, everything is linked to this doc, so you don't have to do any kind of searching. The only thing that is not going to be linked there is our lovely course textbook. It's the only one that I'm requiring, the Imaginative Writing 4th edition, all right? So anyway, everything is linked. Took me so long to do, but that's an aside. Okay, you're gonna have 3 things open. You're gonna have this Google Drive thing open, this Google Doc open, all right? And that's good because it's gonna tell you what to do, all right? So when you get to the Google Doc for week 1, you'll see this thing that says watch me first, and it's going to be a video much like this one of me saying, hey, this is what we're going to do today. And then you're going to see these tasks, right? And just kind of go through those tasks. We'll all be doing that together. But the other thing that you're going to have open at the same time is this thing called Slack. Slack is free. Don't worry about what Slack is. You're actually going to learn what Slack is on the first day. But this, my friends, is what our Slack looks like, all right? So there are different channels here. There's an Ask GPAT channel, right? There's an FYI channel for announcements where you're going to make your introductions. A place for us to share pictures of our pets? What? Yeah, and there's also a social space, and then different discussion channels. And then eventually you see all these little locked things down here. These are private peer review channels that we'll be using throughout the semester, all right? So that is Slack. Why would you want to have Slack open? You'd want to have Slack open so that if you've got a question during class, you can use the Ask GPAT channel, or you can socialize with your peers in another channel. You can send me private messages in Slack, and I'll just answer you right in Slack. You can also voice call me and video call me from Slack, and because I'm sitting right in front of my computer, you have instant access to me. Super duper, right? The third thing that you're going to have open, and the thing that we are going to be spending the majority of the time using in our class, is Tumblr, right? This is a creative writing class, and in a face-to-face creative writing class, we would have been sharing our journals with each other, right? So this is my little Tumblr, Manic Pixie Dream Squirrel. I don't have a title yet for my blog, but I'm going to be doing the same prompts that you are, and we're all going to follow each other on Tumblr, and we're really going to be spending 80% of the time practicing creative writing and responding to each other's writing in Tumblr, right? So again, the three things that you're going to have open during class are our course schedule so that you know what to do, all right? 2, Slack. It's free. It's a communication thing. It's delightful. You're going to learn how to use it. Don't be anxious. And then finally, Tumblr. All right, that's what we're going to be practicing our writing. So it's really that easy in terms of how our course is set up. All right, so I'm just going to stop this video because I think it's already a little too long, and I will see you on the first day of class, Thursday, August 27th. I hope you all are doing really well and really enjoying your summer, or at least, you know, surviving like the rest of us, right? Or just holding on, whatever. I'm eager to meet all of you, and I think this is going to be a good class. Okay, take care. Bye-bye.